Kahit saan nga naman entertainment ay mabango ang pangalan ni KD ngayon dahil nga po sa kanyang bagong single album na kumakailan lang ay nai-release na nga. KD finds a genuine love and a new single, Be With You. Kapamilya, singer-actor KD Estrada opened up about the enjoying life with his beloved and forgetting all the troubles and the world. His a new single, Be With You. Samantala si KD na nga ang nag-compose mismo sa kanyang kanta. Super talented talaga. KD composed the upbeat and groovy track which was produced by Starpa PH, head by Rox Santos. The young kapamilya artist rose to a prominence after his stint as a celebrity housemate in the Pinoy Big Brother Community Season 10 since noon hanggang ngayon, and he has continued to showcase his musicality as the upward on the various soundtrack of Kapamilya shows, such as Mahal Ba Kita from the website series Bula Bula and Dream. Don't Wait from the primetime series Marry You and Marry Me. Early this year, he released the single Love Lead Us Here, which is the earned over 280,000 streams on Spotify, while his latest single, Be With You, kumakailan lang ni-release 3 days ago, featured on Spotify New Music Friday Philippines 2 playlist. As a promising actor, KD has shown his charms and talent in the I Want TFC series, I'm Loving You, and Bula Bula, and the unclaimed musical play Walang Aray. Siyempre magkasama ang Kidilex sa Pita Walang Aray at nagkakaroon nga sila ng pagkakataon dito at mas lalong nag-improve ang boses ni KD dito. He plays the role of Ilong and afternoon series Pere-Perasong Paraiso with the screen partner Alexa Ilacad. Feel the love with the KD new single Be With You, available on the various streaming platforms. For more details, follow on Starpa PH. Nag-trending naman si KD at grabe ang kanyang mga kanta, sobrang talented talaga. Ipinakita na nga ni KD ang kanyang pagiging talento sa kanyang pagkanta. And fairness naman na sa bawat kanta ni KD, siya mismo ang nag-compose. Kaya nga proud ang kanyang mga kasamahan. At lalo na sa mga nag-i-interview sa kanya si Karen Davila, super proud sa kanya. Hindi lang na ipinakita ni KD ang kanyang pagiging talented, kundi ang kanyang pagiging businessman. Bata pa nga lang daw si KD, marunong na dumiskarte sa buhay, hindi lang sa kanyang pagiging talento. Yun po ay kumakailan lang din ay in-interview siya ni Karen Davila. Sobrang na-excited na miss naman si Karen doon sa boses na ipinakita ni KD sa kanya.